Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve this interesting problem where we will calculate and find the answer without using any calculator. For this question, we'll use one trick which we have already covered in this video. If you have not watched this video yet, I strongly suggest to watch it to know all the tricks. Anyways, for this question, I am going to discuss the required trick to solve. If you look into the denominator of this question, after subtracting 1 from this number will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Then it will become 1. As we know a trick where we can find the square of a number where the repeated digits are 1. So in this question, the repeated digit is 1 and it is repeating 2 times. Hence the answer is we have to increase the digit from 1 then 2. Then we need to reduce this digit 2 up to 1. Hence the answer is 1, 2, 1. Similarly, if I want to find the square of a number where digit 1 is repeated 3 times, as it is repeated 3 times, then I can write down the answer is 1, 2, then 3. Then we have to reduce this digit 3 up to 1. Then I can write it as 2, 1. Hence the answer is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, if the number is 1111 where the digit 1 is repeated 4 times, the answer will be 1, 2, 3, then 4 and from 4 it will reduce up to 1. Then you can write 3, 2, 1. As now we know the pattern, then looking into this number, we can say that the digit 1 is increasing from 1 up to 8 and then from 8 it is decreasing up to 1. Hence we can write the answer for this number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square. Similarly, if you look into the number which is present in the numerator, we can write this number as if we add 1 to this number, then this digit will become 9. Then we can write this number as 1, 1, 7 times, then 0, then 8 is 7 times, then 9. Now, if you look into this number, it is also a pattern of digits where 1 is present, 0 is present, 8 is present and 9 is present. We have already discussed this trick in this video. Let us discuss one more time here. If you write this number here, this is 1, 2, 1 and if I want to multiply this number with 9, this will become 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, write 8 here, 1 will be carry forward, 9 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So the number is 1089. As we know, 121 is 11 square and 9 is 3 square. We can write this as 11 into 3 square. So we can write 11 into 3 is 33 square is equal to 1089. Similarly, if you want to multiply 9 with this number, then we can write it as 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 multiply with 9 will become 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, we write 8 here, 1 will be carry forward, 9 3 is 27 plus 1 is 28, we'll write 8 here, 2 will be carry forward, 9 2 is 18 plus 2, 20, we'll write 0 here, 2 will be carry forward, 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So the answer is 110889 and we know this 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 is square of 111 and 9 is square of 3. Then we can write is 111 into 3, that is 333 square is equal to 110889. Now I hope you are getting this pattern. So here if the repeated digits are 3 and if it is repeating 3 times, then we are writing the digit 1 2 times, then 1 0, then digit 8 2 times, then digit 9. So we can write the trick here is for the repeated digit 3 we can find the square. We need to remember certain digits, that is 1, 0, 8 and 9. As the digit 3 is repeated 3 times, we can write digit 1 2 times, then 1 0, digit 8 2 times then 9. Here in this number digit 1 is repeated 7 times then 1 0 and digit 8 is repeated 7 times and then 1 9. Then we can write this as it is a square of a repeated digit 3 and the repeated digit 3 is present 8 times because the digit 1 is repeated 7 times and digit 8 is repeated 7 times. So the answer we can write like this. Now we can simplify this expression as numerator is the square of the number where the digit 3 is repeated 8 times and the denominator is square of a number where digit 1 is repeated 8 times and we need to find out the square root. Now this square root and square will cancel out and if we divide the numerator with the denominator considering only the positive answer, the answer will be 3. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, please press the like button and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.